Wish I could tell you that I love you, but I can't. Wish I could call you in the morning, but I can't. Wish I could tell you that I miss you, but I can't. This is not love.
Everyone, and I never like to admit that I was wrong. And I've been so caught up in my job, didn't see what's going on, but now I know I'm at a